And bow, 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 bow. All right, here we go. So week 4 of the cycle, week 4 starting on Monday. All right, we'll do a superset of push and pull. So fitness, we have a double dumbbell row. Okay, so that'll be a bent over row basically, slight knee bend, hip hinge. Notice the tempo on this guy, so 2 seconds going down, and then a standing dumbbell press. Both of these 6 to 8 reps. Okay, 3 sets, 6 to 8, finding what's tough between there. Performance, you're doing a Pendlay row. That's a barbell row coming from off the floor to the base of the sternum, back to the floor in a much more bent over position compared to a standard bent over row. Again, bar going from the floor to the sternum and then being controlled for 2 seconds back down to the floor. Standing barbell press, that'll come out of the rack. And it's superset, so row, press, row, press, row, press. Resting 90 seconds, guys, in between both exercises, okay? Then part B, it's the friggin' 40, right? It's just a classic chipper style workout. We've been running these this whole cycle. So lots of equipment. It'll take a little bit of time to set up, making sure. If you guys need to modify, that shouldn't be in there. If you guys need to modify any of this stuff too far, like if we're modifying half of the movements, just do fitness, right? We don't want to modify the whole thing. I don't expect too much of this to need to be modified, but let's try to keep this as it is for performance, and then go ahead and do fitness if needed. Okay, Tuesday, we get some Olympic lifting going. Fitness, you have a complex again, much like we've been doing this whole cycle. Power snatch, hang power snatch, hang power snatch. All right, performance, you're doing a power snatch, overhead squat, snatch, balance. Okay, we'll run this every minute on the minute for 12 minutes, adding weight every 4. Fitness, you guys are just starting at a tough weight, adding 5 to 10 pounds each segment here, 4-minute segment. Performance, same deal, starting at or around 50% and kind of building up by 10% as you go every 4 minutes. Part B, all right, a little bit of a grinder here. Some power cleans and wall climbs, 975 for fitness. Performance, you have a squat clean at 155 and 115 and muscle ups, all right? So going to be pretty aggressive about this, guys. If you can't do ring muscle ups, you are doing fitness, all right? You know, there's a point where this should get kind of heavy, sticky, grindy. All right, so basically the way this works is you should not necessarily, unless you're definitely like a high level athlete, be busting out sets of 9 of these squat cleans. If you have to modify the weight back, I would prefer that you go as heavy as possible. All right. And again, really try to make this grindy and tough. This should not be something that is fast, right? So if you go light enough where you can do a whole set of 9 cleans unbroken, you've gone too light. These should be heavier, harder efforts, each individual rep. So consider how long it takes to do a single wall climb or a single muscle up in terms of output and ability, right? Now, obviously, there's a few of you guys out there where muscle ups, bigger sets are not going to be an issue, but this 155 squat clean will be an issue. Okay, so it should be heavy, should be tough. Then finishing with some postural endurance, loaded carry work. Stir the pot on the Swiss ball, and then just some heavy farmer's walks. Okay, 3 sets of 100 feet on those. Wednesday, we're going to have our hip hinging exercise this week is going to be a double kettlebell RDL. So both kettlebells are held in front of the legs, and it's just a standard hip hinge RDL, 2 seconds on the way down, 3 sets of 5 to 7. Okay, tough, heavy weight, but definitely something you can control. All right, resting 2 minutes in between. And then just a long duration set of 30 on, 30 off. Double unders, heavy D-ball over the shoulder, ball slams, assault bike, and hollow hold on this. Fitness and performance is the same. This is actually not right. This should be, boom. I'm going to change it on the fly. You guys are seeing it here. This should be 40 on, 20 off, just like fitness. All right. There you go. Correction made. Thursday, all right, we have our bench press again, close grip. All right, 4 sets of 2 to 4. So we're dropping the rep range down, 2 to 4. Hopefully you guys are going heavier than you did last week on these. Obviously with the lower reps, we should be able to get that. really stressing the feet being buried into the floor, guys. If you've been in my class, you know I've been harping on it. Get your feet buried into the floor. Bar starts above the shoulder, at the tip of the shoulder, goes down to the base of the sternum, and then is pressed up and back towards the tip of the shoulder. Okay, so focus on that. 3 sets for conditioning of a 6-minute AMRAP, followed by 3 minutes of rest. Okay, so these intervals, or this time duration, is a little bit longer now. Okay, wall balls, kettlebell swings, burpees, and pull-ups if you're doing performance. Wall balls, Russian swings, burpees, and ring rows for fitness. All right. The one thing with this that's going to be important is we're going to mix and match again, right? So you're going to mix order, reset the order every single time on this. Okay, and then, you know, I'm going to add a note here. All right, reset order each set. There you go. Cool, done. All right, Friday, you guys have this long duration aerobic work. We'll start on the bike, okay? Long, low effort, and then boom, 10 seconds, all out sprint. Okay, we'll do that for 10 minutes. Then we got a middle section here of some mixed work, box step overs, man makers with no weight, okay? Side planks, and then a shuttle run. So getting ready to get outside, go run. And then we'll finish on the rower. Okay, Saturday, team workout, teams of 3. 3,000 meter row buy-in, which is pretty fucking cool. Big fan of that. And then we have wall balls, bike calories, box jumps, and push-ups. All right, 100 straight down. Break it up as much as you want. One person working at a time. Other 2 are resting. So you should be able to hit this pretty hard. And then a little work on the way out. Some snap to hollows and some dead bugs. All right. Hope you guys have a good week. Catch you on the flip side.